Hi guys, this is Jasmine with another Animal Jam episode. And I will do stuff. Yeah. Stuff. I'll be customizing my den, that's what I'll be doing. Play. Sorry about clicking like this. I'm clicking my mouse. I'm sorry. It's really annoying when I do it. If you can realize? I don't know if you can realize or not. I bet you can. It's annoying for me. Go tell everyone that I'm recording. Not there, 'cause you're in front of me. Cool. Ding. Guys. So yeah, so I'll be moving stuff around in my den. I'm gonna press the clear button and start all over again. I think my house is so messy. Okay, it's the messiest place ever. Messier than my room, and my room is so messy. And I mean, so messy. So, if you want to know how to do it, like clear this out, like that, I'll show you. Look at my mouse. My settings. There's all sorts you can do, like doorbell on. If someone comes in, the doorbell will ring. Sound off for me. On now. It's weird. I've had this cursor. I hate. Rubbish. Well, this one, which is awesome. The world I'm in. And then this one. One of everything. Oh, I shouldn't have pressed that, shouldn't I? No. Let's go to my den again. Super fast. So yeah, how do I do that? No, it's not that one. This is just settings. Would you press game invite? Edit den. Play a different video. Lock your den from your friends. If your only your friends can come in. Play your den. So I'm gonna press now. A nice, clear den. Isn't that better? I'd rather have this than that other one. But I'm still gonna have all the stuff in it. Because I feel like it. Like, everything gone. That made me upset. Let's place some stuff over here, like, it's really hard to find things because I've got loads of stuff here. It's gonna be huge. Place my pets down. Come here. Place my pet down. That was a glitch where I had this it was that one. Yeah. I had it on the tree and with me. It was weird, but it was awesome at the same time. Oh no. Let's hit there for now. No. This gets so annoying. It's always glitchy, this game, but it's awesome. I'm always on it. You should get it if you do have it. If you don't have it out there. It's free. It's really simple. Play games. That's it. Yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome. And why did I go off that bit? Just stupid. And I have all the rooks inside because I've got 4. That's my bedroom area, so I'm going to keep that there. All the rooks, but not these. Separate. Oh, there's 2. I thought there was 3. Odd. Have you seen me go past one, guys? Second mount, it's already over there. That's strange. Oh, it's there. Oh my god, I'm weird. There's one here. It's the smallest one ever and it's so cute. This is something that will guard my house along with 2 phantoms. This will be there. This. Turn it like that. Put it on my wall. It's gonna be awesome. The lemonade stand. This lemonade stand will be here. I think all my plushies are gonna go here. Right, there's loads of them. They'll all fit. There's loads, but there's not. Let me just get my plushies out because it'll take a while. I've done a few of the things whilst you guys were gone. These aren't all my plushies though, so this is going to be a bit harder. I need to dance. Entertain you. I'm going to do the rest of the plushies soon as in the logo. Okay. This one, where did it go? Oh, going to do a guard for that one. These ones, these parents. Gonna do the beds because I'm really looking forward to the beds. I just don't want to end up like you guys. It's really hard to stop doing things. I thought you were like gone a minute ago. But I'm sorry about that. I am. So you shut your gob. Yeah, you're different. You're different. Yeah, I'm different. I've got to do the first thing. And put a welcome matting. Let's put a welcome matting first. Did you know that, Jasmine? I don't think Jasmine knew that. Do you guys? No, I don't think Jasmine knew that. Sorry about my voice if you can't really hear it. Yeah, it's just sorry. Did you know? It's 1:15 in the morning. I'll quickly show you. I just realised that I can't show you guys. I'm really sorry about that. Well, it's 1:16, but that was a minute ago. Yeah, I'm different. Guys, sorry about this, but I might not have time for all of this video to fit in today. Sorry if you can't, but it's only got like a limit of 15 minutes, and it's 10:32, and I've got all this stuff to do. It's been 10 minutes and 32 seconds. Probably more than that, because I just looked like 10 million minutes ago. 10:45, 46, 47, etc. Yeah. Yeah, I'm different. Yeah, I'm weird. Did you know that? Did you know that I was weird? I'm gonna start with plushies and I'm just gonna plot them everywhere. I mean, everywhere. I thought that was someone else then. The yellow koala, you don't deserve to be there, you just deserve to be plotted somewhere. I need a tree transplant. Look at that. Reorientation. Yeah. I'm different. I'm gonna recycle a few items I won't need, and oh my god, I got them. This is the way to get money, guys. If you don't want some of these things, ooh, I just saw a mountain. Oh. I don't need 2 trees. So guys, we might not have enough time for this video, and I'm really upset about that. Yeah. I'll find another way. Sorry if this video is a bit boring. At the end I'll play a game with someone. Oh, there's stuff everywhere. No. No. If I did that, I'd die. I would literally die if I did that again. I did this because my sister dared me to. Didn't you, Hannah? No, she was asleep. Yeah. Oh, she's so cute. Nobody knows. I don't know, but it's inside. It's comfy enough. Oh, I forgot about all these jelly chairs. What am I doing with these? Well, at least they look like jelly. Not actually jelly chairs. It'd be awesome if there was jelly chairs in real life. It'd be cool just going around. Hey! Do you want to eat? Like, yeah, sit down and what got 2 jelly chairs? Get them at the bounce party. Oh, that's the jelly chairs. And now a few more plushies. Oh, we've only got 1 minute left, guys. I'm gonna have to stop this video there. Sorry about I didn't play a game. I've got a few seconds left. Bye!